hope all of you, I hope all of you enjoy the video. Okay, so
Hi everyone, please wait a moment.
all right, guys, my apologies. Okay, my internet just went a bit crazy just now. Okay, so anyway, let me start again. Okay, welcome everyone. Thank you for joining our weekly seminar. Okay, I believe, as I mentioned earlier on, I believe that in our audience today, we have existing users, existing leaders who have already started to build their own community. But most importantly, I believe that most of them have already experienced what the trading platform can actually deliver. And in turn, when I say deliver, I mean most of them have already experienced making profit from the AMASS trading platform, both active and also passive income. Okay, active is through the referral bonus. Okay, later on we will go more in depth with the referral bonus, how you can get it. Okay, and also passive income, what sort of product you can able to generate that passive income. Basically, what attractive product on the AMASS trading platform that actually it's offer. Okay, and for new users, welcome. Okay, I believe our today's weekly seminar, new users will definitely find it much more rewarding. Okay, as compared to the existing leaders and users. Okay, because what I'll be sharing today is already the things that they already know. Okay, so before I go into our main topic of the day, okay, firstly, let me just share with you a little bit of my own experience and my own background. Okay, what I do and basically what my experience are. Okay, so basically, personally, I've been multiple industry before. Okay, but mainly I've done traditional business before, but for the past 8 years, I mainly focus in the financial industry. Okay, I basically work as an analyst in a brokerage firm. All right, I mainly focus in three primary market. Number one, gold market. Number two, all the major index around the world. You're talking about US market, you talk about the Europe market, you talk about Australia market, you talk about the Asia market. Okay, I basically trade them all. And apart from that, I am also a firm believer of cryptocurrency, and I'm also a cryptocurrency enthusiast as well. Okay, so today, all of you joining this seminar, okay, I would just like to share a little bit of my own strategy, okay? Actually, one of the reasons why, okay, if you are a cryptocurrency investor, okay, then you definitely also have to invest into the FX market. I'll share with you why. Okay, the logic is pretty straightforward. Okay, as you all know, cryptocurrency is a very volatile market. All right. So if you use your savings, okay, if you use some of your income to invest into the cryptocurrency market, sure, no problem. Okay. During bull market, no problem. You invest whatever coin you buy. Okay. Most of it, you'll be able to profit. But during bear market, this is where you will get stuck. All right. So from my experience, okay, it's very important that you know how to invest not only in one particular market, but if you know how to utilize the FX market, then trust me, you'll be able to earn money and you'll be able to be a much more confident investor when you invest into the cryptocurrency market. Personally, how I does it, okay, is very straightforward. The money that I make from FX market, I divest that money into cryptocurrency. Basically, that is my trading strategy. All right. So that's why it's very important if you know how to utilize the FX market and divest the profit that you make from the FX market and invest into the cryptocurrency market. And when the bull comes, that is where you will be able to earn the most. Okay. Trust me, this is my strategy and it has been working great for me. All right. So besides that, all right, I've been into high frequency bot trading before, crypto bot business before, and also algorithm trading. All right. That's basically my experience in a nutshell. So let's go into the main topic of the day. All right. And the main reason that you're here today to listen about and to learn about. All right. What exactly is AMASS? What is AMASS? All right. AMASS essentially is an award-winning trading platform that's being developed by a company called Martech Technology that's already been on the market for the past 14 years. Okay. So what does Martech Technology actually do? The next question is, all right, there is main three business that the Martech Technology actually do. Number one, they do trading. Trading meaning stock trading on the equity market, okay, cryptocurrency market, and also the FX market, okay? That is, they have their own in-house professional expert traders that does the trading for them. Number two, this is the most important point that you guys must remember today because it's relatable to the main product that I want to introduce to you all. They are what we call a liquidity provider. So in simple terms, what is a liquidity provider? Liquidity provider on any market is what we call a market maker. If you don't understand what market maker is, okay, I'll give you another term. They are what we call a middleman. Liquidity provider, the word liquidity in that basically that word means money, right? So for any traders, okay, for basically any market to work, you requires money to be on the market. That is how people are able to buy and sell on the market. So that is basically the main role of a liquidity provider. So in order to do that, of course, one of the most important criteria for anyone in order for them to become a liquidity provider is to have money. Number three, they have their own in-house IT team, meaning that they have their own software developers, they have their own programmers, full stack developers, how you want to put it, okay? So basically, they are able to produce their own product, such as the AMASS trading platform, okay? And that is also one of the key strong advantage of AMASS trading platform. Because of having their own IT team, everything is managed in-house. And whenever there is a problem arise on the trading platform, you are be sure that definitely it will be handled very, very fast, and it's constantly being monitored by professional programmers and developers that develop this platform, okay, 24 hours. So apart from all this component of the company, one of the most important thing is compliance, okay, license. Are they regulated? Okay, on the AMASS trading platform, in total, they have 3 main licenses. I will tell you the most important one. The most important one is what we call SEC. And what does SEC stands for? Security Exchanges Commission. SEC, they are the main government body, the main what we call a regulatory body that actually examine, regulate, and approve any financial related company or business basically in the American market. Okay, and SEC, when you talk about financial industry, they are considered as the strongest and the most influential in the world. So for any company to be able to obtain a certificate or approval through the SEC, basically they have already been examined by SEC. Otherwise, they cannot get this license. Okay. And for the case of AMASS trading platform, you are able to check it yourself from the official website for this SEC approval. So as you can see, AMASS trading platform, okay, is being developed, managed, okay, and of course, most importantly, is being backed by such a strong company. So users, okay, leaders, you are 100% sure that your money is definitely safe, okay, when you invest on the AMASS trading platform. So now, let me go into the product, okay? As a marketer, as a leader, after I look at, of course, the basic company structure, what does the company do? And of course, are they certified? Are they regulated? Are they compliant? Okay. The next most important thing is the product. Okay. On the AMASS trading platform, in total, there is 4 products. Number 1, self-trading. Okay. If you're a professional today, you're an experienced trader today, you want to self-trade yourself, no problem. You can do it on the AMASS trading platform. And from the video, if just now you guys have actually seen the video, AMASS trading platform, they charge us one of the lowest commission fees on the market. Normally, okay, most FX trading platform, they charge as high as 8%. AMASS trading platform only charges less than 1%. So this is one of the key selling point of it for the self-trading. Number 2, binary option. What is binary option? In very simple term, binary option, short-term trading, if you're a high-risk taker, okay, then you can go for it. Okay, you basically just buy the price to go up or you buy the price to go down. All right, very straightforward. Number 3, copy trading. I'm sure all of you heard of copy trading before. Okay, so, and what makes the copy trading on the AMASS trading platform actually stands out? 2 key criteria, okay, straightforward. Number 1, winning rates. On the AMASS trading platform, in total, there is 8 copy traders that you will be able to follow and basically put your money and let the professional do the work for you. So on the AMASS trading platform, on average, all the 8 copy traders, they have an average winning rate of 90%. So what does that mean? Meaning that if they trade 10 times, 9 out of 10 times are all winning trades, and they will only lose 1 trade. Okay, I'm talking about average. All right. Number 2, percentage. Of course, when you talk about winning rate, yeah. Okay. So the next question is, what does that convert into numbers and figures? All right. On average, copy traders have a 4 to 5% winning percentage. Profit percentage on the AMASS trading platform. In a month, that is around roughly 16 to 20%. I'll break it down even smaller for you. If in a week, okay, if today you invest $1,000 in a week, you'll be able to generate $40 to $50. In a month, you'll be able to generate $160 to $200. So now the next question is, the copy trading on the AMASS trading platform, they are already being filtered by the company. And how they filter is based on that two criteria that I actually share with you just now. And how they actually do it, they use their own money. Basically pass it to a lot of copy traders on the market, then they shortlist based on that two criteria. So all the copy traders on the AMASS trading platform, for users, for leaders, I'm here to tell you, they are already being filtered by the company. So don't worry, I'm pretty confident with the results and of course what they are able to deliver. Now, let's go into the main topic or the main product that I actually want to share with you. Liquidity provider pool. But before I actually go into and tell you or share with you what exactly is a liquidity provider pool, I'll share with you, actually, I get this question quite a lot, all right? I always get this question. A lot of people ask me, actually, I heard of liquidity pool before, but it's in crypto market. So today, I want to take this opportunity to clarify with you what is the key difference between a crypto liquidity pool and a FX liquidity pool. And then, of course, I'll share with you which one I think is a better investment based on my experience and my opinion. Right, so let's get into it. So a liquidity pool in FX term, in the context of FX, okay, is provided by big institution, well-established company, financial company to be specific, and liquidity provider, which is the AMASS trading platform, the company behind them, Martech Technology. They are a liquidity provider. So basically, what does this player do? Basically, they put their money in to the market. You talk about MT4 or MT5, right, for example, or even equity. I talk about stock market. You also need liquidity provider. They basically put their money into the market, allow basically people to have, to allow them to have transaction. Transaction meaning buy and selling. Then basically, when you have that money in the market, you're allowed to have a volume in the market. All right. So, and what that basically does is a liquidity provider not only just provide transactions and buying and selling. With that money into the market, it provides a smooth and also an efficient trading environment market for people. Now, when you talk about liquidity pool in the cryptocurrency market, normally it's on what we call DEX, liquidity pool. DEX stands for decentralized exchange. And basically, the trading platform for decentralized exchange is built on blockchain technology. And now, this is the key difference. A DEX exchange liquidity pool, the pool money is provided by users, individual investor. They basically use their own digital assets. In this sense, it's basically their own cryptocurrency, their own money. So how the participant and investor can earn the money is basically they can earn their money by providing liquidity into that market. So to make a conclusion, a liquidity pool on the FX market is involved by big institutions, banks, hedge fund, liquidity provider, basically a corporation. But whereas a DEX liquidity pool, decentralized exchange liquidity pool, is created by individual to facilitate decentralized trading. So now you are clear with the difference between an FX liquidity pool and a DEX liquidity pool. In my opinion, FX liquidity pool are considered as a better investment. Why? Simply because it's managed by a much more bigger organization and is a well-established organization or company or a liquidity provider. And you know, on this big corporation, they have more money. So when you have more money, meaning that the market is much more stable. And whereas a DEX liquidity pool normally is associated with what we call a DeFi. So what is a DeFi? DeFi stands for decentralized finance. Yes, no doubt, they can offer you a much more higher yield. All right. Some of them are able to offer you up to 100% or 200% through two things: yield farming or staking. Yes, but it carry a higher risk. Two reasons why it carry a higher risk. Number one, as I mentioned earlier on, cryptocurrency market is very, very volatile. So the digital asset that they provide into the liquidity pool, basically it's tied to the price of that particular digital asset. So with such a high volatility, when the price drops, of course, definitely the whole liquidity pool will be affected. Number two, smart contract. Smart contract is very vulnerable when it comes to getting hacked. And of course, there's a lot of loophole as well. So now you understand the key difference between an FX liquidity pool and a DEX liquidity pool. You can basically see why I personally find FX liquidity pool much more attractive. So on the AMASS trading platform, in total, there is 6 liquidity pool that you'll be able to invest into. And the profit percentage, the highest it can go is 48%. And apart from the high percentage that you'll be able to get, as I mentioned earlier on, FX liquidity pool is much more stable than DEX liquidity pool. But the key point here that I want to share with you with the liquidity pool product on the AMASS trading platform is you're not only able to earn passive income when you invest into the liquidity pool product, you are also able to earn active income through their referral bonus. So now, before I actually go into and explain to you and share with you the incentive bonus or the referral bonus, whatever you call it, you can see why, as a marketer, as a leader, the product on the AMASS trading platform, personally, is very, in my opinion, okay, it's very easy for me to work with. And of course, ultimately to promote to people. They cover a wide range of customer. From beginner, okay, if you're a beginner today, you will be able to basically still earn money on the AMASS trading platform. You can basically invest into the copy trading. Let the professional do the work for you. And or there's another saying, let your money work for you. Or you can invest into the liquidity pool. But if today you're a professional, you're an experienced trader, you can go for self-trading. You can trade yourself based on your own skill, your own analytical skill, or your own experience. You are also able to go into a binary option, as I mentioned earlier on, if you are a high-risk taker. Of course, high risk, high return. This is how the market works in general, or business work. Even if you are a hedge fund manager, you are an investment banker, you can basically use AMASS trading platform to is either you promote to people or for your own self-investment to make profit. I'll go even broader. Even if today you're a teacher, you are an insurance agent, you are a property agent, even if you are a fireman, right? Even if you are old, right? 60, 70 years old, no problem. With zero knowledge of FX trading experience, you are able to let professional to do the work for you. So as you can see, it covers a wide range of customer. Basically, I would say almost close to as high as 100%. You can basically give it to, promote it to everyone. So now the next question is, what makes AMASS stands out? I'll change the word, okay? What actually differentiate AMASS trading platform as compared to all the other or the current FX trading platform out there? They are what we call a full label trading platform, all in one. Not just one particular product. Certain trading platform, maybe they only have copy trading. Certain trading platform, maybe they only have binary option. Certain trading platform, you are only able to trade yourself or maybe buy products such as an options or even future. But on the AMASS trading platform, you have what we call an all-in-one. All right, as I mentioned earlier on already, self-trading, binary option, copy trading, and liquidity pool. And number two, most FX trading platform out there, they also give referral bonus. They also give incentive to leaders or networkers or marketer that is able to recommend or basically pull people into the website or the trading platform. But normally they only give up to one tier of commission or bonus. But on the AMASS trading platform, if today you are an experienced leader, networker, promoter, marketer, whatever you name it, you are able to get up to 20 tiers. So now some people might ask me, why does the trading platform give out such a good community bonus or such a wide bonus up to 20 tiers? It's very straightforward. Any trading platform, when you talk about any trading platform, what is the most important thing to them? Users and volume, basically traffic to the trading platform. So that's why AMASS trading platform, they are willing to give out such a good bonus to leaders that is able to bring in that sort of users and numbers. From this, you can see that they want to attract top tier leaders to work on the trading platform, to basically promote it for them and build the community for them. Because you just imagine, okay, the company, they have a few more products in the pipeline. And in the future, whenever the product is ready to being rolled out or released, if as of now, they already have a strong community base or customer base or fan base, it's going to be very easy for the future product launching. That is also one of the key reason and main reason why they are giving such an attractive bonus to their leaders. And another thing is ecosystem. From all this, you can see that they understand for any tech company, most important thing to be sustainable is ecosystem. And of course, business model is important too. So since now we are touching on the community bonus, let's get right into it. Okay, this is the part where people can learn, able to earn a lot of money. And this is the main point, the main topic, the main part that I want to share with all of you here today. So let me just share screen with you so you are able to see what sort of bonus is available on the AMASS trading platform. And basically from there, you are able to see what sort of bonus you want to push and what sort of bonus you want to earn. But of course, during my sharing today, I will tell you, I will share with you what bonus you should go for it. Okay? And don't basically waste your time on the other bonus. I'm not saying that it's a waste of time. It's not what I mean. It's just that I will share with you which bonus I think that will be the most beneficial to potential leaders or networkers that is joined us today. So let's get right into it. I believe that, okay, everyone can see the screen, right? All right, let's get right into it. So as I mentioned earlier on, in total, there is 4 different products available on the AMASS trading platform. Number 1, self-trading, okay? If I'll give you an example. So self-trading, you're able to earn a commission from your downline, all right? So basically, it's based on 80% of the commission amount. So let's say today, I'm Dexter downline. I decide to self-trade. Then one of the way how the platform earns money, of course, is through self-trading. When people self-trade, they will charge the trader a small commission amount, as I mentioned earlier on. So your commission as a leader will be based on that commission, but it's quite minimal. It's based on 80% of that commission amount. Number 2, binary options. Binary options is pretty similar to trading. Self-trading is based on 60% of the premium amount. Premium amount is essentially an insurance amount. So on the AMASS trading platform, if you want to trade binary option, you are required to buy an insurance. And basically the insurance, once you buy it, your capital will be 100% covered. All right, now, copy trading and liquidity pool, they share the same sort of incentive or referral bonus structure. So in total, there is 4 types of bonus you'll be able to earn from the when you basically refer people to invest into the liquidity pool or the copy trading. So 4 types of bonus. Number 1, recruitment bonus. Recruitment bonus is an instant bonus. I'll give you an example. Today, I'm Dexter downline as well. I'll use Dexter as my leader. He is an ambassador level. As you can see in the screen here, 12% from for an ambassador. Meaning that if today I invest $1,000 into either the liquidity pool or the copy trading, straight away, Dexter get $120. That's what it means. But instant. When I invest straight into a liquidity pool or copy trading, instantly, boom, Dexter get $120 from that $1,000 that I invest into. Let's just imagine, okay, let's just try to dream big. I invest $10,000 today. Dexter straight away get $1,200. If I invest $100,000, Dexter get $12,000 instant. Okay, this is instant into his wallet. So, recruitment bonus, you just need to remember instant. Okay, and basically, it's a good bonus that you get instantly, because if you have any investment into a liquidity pool or copy trading, right? Basically, if you are able to get an instant recruitment bonus, actually 40+ percent to 50+ % of your investment or your own capital is already covered. You already basically earn back your capital money. Okay? Number 2 is what we call a community bonus. Now, this is the bonus that I want all the leaders here or aspire leaders to focus on, because this is one of the key selling point of AMASS trading platform referral bonus structure. As I mentioned earlier on, you are able to get up to 20 tiers. So when you become an ambassador level, you are able to unlock up to 20 tiers of bonus. So Based on this, you might not understand in terms of dollars and cents. So I'll show you the example on the business model here. As you can see on the screen here, in total, this leader right now is an ambassador level already. Okay. And the example that you are seeing on the screen right here is based on $1,000. Okay. All of your community members invested $1,000 each. This is just for example's sake. So imagine your first tier, you have 10 users, 10 downline. All of them, they make a weekly profit of $330. And for the first tier, you are able to get 35%. So 35% times 330 times 10 users equates to $1,155 here, right? Second tier, you are able to get 20, you have 20 users, 300, okay, same. Second tier, you are able to get 25%. So this equates to this. As you further move down, subsequently, you can see, okay, 40, 80 users, 160, 320, 640, okay? This is basically $36,000 per month. But one thing that I want you guys to look at is the users. You see, first tier is 20, second tier is 20, third tier is 40. What does that tell you? It means that each tier, you only need to promote to 2 people. Imagine your first tier, right? You recommended 1 people, okay? 1 people just need to recommend 2 more people. And that 2 more people, each of them recommend 2 more, okay? You multiply. That is how you can grow your community very easily. I'm sure some of the leaders here, they already know because they are an experienced leader already. They know how it works. So even though, and one more point that I want to highlight to you, you can see that from tier 16 to 20th, even though you're only able to get 1% from that tier, but you can see the profit is actually the highest as compared to the top tier. So what does that tell you? It tells you that even though the percentage is small, but most importantly is the members in your community. That is the most important thing. As long as your community is big enough, okay, the number is big enough, all right, in terms of percentage wise, is a very well calculated and established system. You will not go too far off. Okay, in fact, it's actually quite evenly distributed on each tier. So don't worry about that percentage. Most importantly, as long as you are able to grow your community, you are able to get a very good, hefty profit or bonus from your community. This example, as you can see, 36,000 per month. This is a very conservative number. Okay, because this is based on each member only invest $1,000. But that, of course, in real life, that won't be the case. Some people might invest 1,000, some maybe 500, okay? Some maybe invest 10,000, right? So it's not like this assumption. So if you are able to grow to this sort of volume, trust me, the community bonus that you will be getting is definitely 6-digit, meaning few $100,000. As of now, personally, I get close to almost $300,000 already, just for community bonus. So, number 3, ranking bonus. Ranking bonus is more towards when your community start to grow more already, start to establish more, and slowly your ranking will also slowly climb up. And when that happens, you'll be able to get an extra bonus from the platform. It's what we call a ranking bonus. And last but not least is an alignment bonus. Alignment bonus is pretty similar as a ranking bonus. It's towards the end, okay, when your community starts to grow, okay? In the event that, let's say, all right, Dexter is a very, very good leader. Today, I'm his downline. I'm his direct downline. He's an ambassador level. I also become an ambassador level. So today, when that happens, the platform gives you an extra bonus, what we call an alignment bonus. So meaning that this alignment bonus in general is basically when you hit a certain performance or KPI, right? So basically, this is the business model or the referral bonus that you're able to get from the trading platform. So now, basically what I share with you all just now, I would just like to make a quick summary or a conclusion with you why I personally choose to basically promote work on the AMASS trading platform. Number one, they are a compliance trading platform, an award-winning trading platform developed, managed by a company that has already been on the market for the past 14 years. Number two, the product, as I mentioned earlier on already, it covers a wide spectrum of customer base, right? From young, old, experienced, not experienced. If you're an active investor, you're a passive investor, you are a very, very well-connected leader, you're a fund manager, you are an investment banker, you are able to use it, you are able to promote it. So there is basically no boundaries of who I can promote this trading platform to. So for a leader, it's a very easy trading platform for me to work with. And the most important part is the bonus. I'm able to invest. Use my own capital to invest into the product, specifically the liquidity pool and the copy trading. And from the referral bonus, I can basically easily earn back my capital and even more than my own investment. So you can see that is why I find it so attractive. I promise you, if today, whatever I just share with you today, you are able to duplicate it, execute it, trust me, you will be able to see result very, very, very soon. Right? I'm not kidding. The bonus, you can get it very, very hefty bonus. And basically the return of investment of that product is also very, very good. Now, most of the example that I give to you today is all based on $1,000. There is a reason, okay? Because if you only invest $100 into the trading platform, right, definitely you will be able to still, see result, get the profit and all that. But honestly speaking, $20, $30 won't really make much difference to your life. Maybe you can have 1 or 2 good meals. But today, this is not my objective. And of course, ultimately, in the long run, that is not my objective for everyone that is here today. I want you to have a life-changing, basically an experience through the trading platform. So that's why, honestly speaking, if on the AMASS trading platform, you want to really see result for your own self, even if you want to self-invest, okay? Trust me, minimum at least 500 to 1,000, then you will be able to feel the difference. Let me ask you honestly, if in a month you get $30 as compared to in a month you get $300, honestly speaking, I'm not bluffing, right? $30 and $300, the difference is huge, what you're able to do. As I already mentioned, $30, you're only able to eat 1 or 2 good meals. That's it. But with $300 or even $400-500, that makes a difference. You're maybe able to pay off your car loan. I believe a lot of you have also have housing loan. And maybe some of you need to pay tuition fees. It makes a difference. So, basically, this is the end of my sharing today. I hope all of you find it inspiring and of course find it useful with what I share with you. And as I mentioned earlier on again, if you are really able to execute what I share with you today, trust me, you'll be able to feel the difference and see the profit very, very soon. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy. Right now, okay, I'll take some question if you guys have, okay? So please, if anyone have any question, you may ask me, okay? Even if you don't have, don't worry. We actually have a recording of today's Zoom meeting. Then those people who actually miss out on our seminar today, you can request the video from our team or from me, then we can share it with you so you can basically catch up with whatever part that you have missed, okay? So guys, anyone have any question, please ask away. Okay, since there is no question, all right, maybe I can take this opportunity and share with you what sort of question I get from people or my members, okay? One of the most common question that people always ask me is, okay, Tony, you say that the bonus that the platform is able to give you, such as the recruitment bonus or community bonus, ranking bonus and alignment bonus, these are a lot of bonus, right? And you say that if your community is able to grow until a big market, how does the company actually gives out or pay out such a hefty amount of bonus? Where does the money comes? Okay, so it's like this. As I mentioned earlier on, the company, they have three main business. They trade themselves. As you all know, right? Trading, especially professional traders, they make a lot of money on trading on the equity market, FX market, or cryptocurrency market. Number one. Number two, liquidity provider business. There is a reason why people want to be liquidity provider, because liquidity provider makes a lot of money. How do they make money? They make money through what we call spread of pips. So essentially, what is spread of pips? Okay, you go to any trading platform out there, you will see a bidding price and an asking price. Okay, that price difference is profit margin for liquidity provider. Also, another thing, when you talk about FX market, right? FX market is an international market. When you talk about international market, you talk about high volume transaction. You're not talking about 100, few hundred, or just few hundred thousands transactions per day, or even per hour, or if I may, even per second. You're talking about a high volume transactions. You're talking about millions of transactions that is happening constantly, you know, pop, 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 pop. So that transaction, the volume from that transactions, okay, they basically earn from all those transactions as well. So that is how a liquidity provider earns money. I don't want to go too technical into how they exactly make money, but that is basically the two main thing how liquidity provider actually earns money. Number three, they have their own in-house IT team that they are able to develop software themselves. And when you have that sort of capability, of course, you'll definitely be able to do business with other third-party company that want to use your expertise to develop programs, apps, website, you know, trading platform or whatsoever for them. So, and apart from that, from the AMASS trading platform, right, they earn from transaction fees. when users sell trade, they charge a commission fees, right? When you want to withdraw money, of course, there is a transaction fees. So basically, these are how the company business model is and how they are basically, you can see that not just one business, they basically have multiple source of income that basically show the customer that they have a sustainable business model that is able to sustain this sort of business. So this is basically the answer that I can share with you, the question that people always ask me. All right. So from that, okay, we have a question from AMASS. All right. All right. Will this investment last for more than a year? Can you assure us? All right, AMASS. This is actually a no answer question. Okay. Why I say so? All right, let's analyze this together. Okay. Basically, your main point is how sustainable is this investment or this platform is. Okay. Why I say it's a no answer question is like this. I've actually been on the market for close to 8 years already. Okay. And of course, whatever I share with you now is based on, of course, everyone have to start somewhere. I basically start by maybe working as a small little marketer as well, or a consultant. Okay. I have seniors, I learn from them. Okay. Let me share with you how business fell. All right, especially when you talk about this sort of market. Essentially, I'll give you an example. Group 1, Group 2, okay? Group 1, you have Group 1, you have Group 2, you have Group 3, okay? One of the most common failed business model is that, okay, Group 1, all right? They generate profit, okay? But in actual fact, the company doesn't generate profit. So basically how the company pays out to Group 1 is they use Group 2's money to cover for Group 1, okay? And Group 2 generate profit. But how do they actually cover the profit, or how do they actually pays out to Group 2? Group 3, right? They use the money that they accumulate from Group 3 and then they pay out to Group 2. Subsequently, that's how they roll. And then eventually, when no more people comes in, boom, the whole thing collapse. Right? So, as I mentioned earlier on, how, based on my experience and of course, the experience that is being shared by my seniors and my leaders, past leaders, and my previous boss and all that, there is actually no right or wrong on how you actually judge whether a business can sustain or not. So it's basically very subjective. So, but the only thing that you can judge is the business model. This is just what I learned, okay? And AMASS trading platform, as I already mentioned to you, they have multiple sources of business. And I've also shared with you how the trading platform actually earns money that is able to basically pay out to the leaders, or bonus, or even the profit that you generated. Yeah. So I hope this answers your question, because as I mentioned to you, this is a no answer question. All right. And I hope how I analyze for you, you are able to understand. Okay. All right. Any more questions for me, guys? Guys, no question for me? All right. As I mentioned earlier on, don't worry. Even if you have questions after our weekly seminar today, I'm sure most of you here already have your own individual community, or some of you have even direct contact with me. So don't worry. You know that anytime when you look for me or my team or my business partner or our community assistant, no worries, okay? I'm sure whatever I share with you today, some of you might need time to digest. Okay. So you can always ask us in your own individual community group. Okay. Or even if you can contact me or my business partner or my community assistant directly to basically, we will assist you with all the questions. And also, as I mentioned earlier on, those people who miss out on our sharing today, don't worry. We have a recording for today's session. Okay, so for those who have missed out, don't worry. Look for us, request for the recording for today, so you can learn what you have missed out. All right. So thank you guys so much once again for joining our weekly seminar. I really do hope all of you find this useful, because I don't want to waste your time, because time is money, right? And what I want is to everyone here today to be able to earn money together, all right? Especially through the bonus, okay? And also through the product that the AMASS training platform actually offers, all right? So simple term, active and passive income. All right. I wish that all of you are able to hit that, earn that. All right. So what I want to tell you today is, most importantly, after today, okay, if you only listen to what I say, all right, and if there is no action, trust me, even if you wait for 10 years, all right, even if just for a month or a week, you won't see any money coming in. Action speaks louder than words. If you have action, trust me, you will see result. Because in order for you to have result, you need action. All right. So thank you guys very much. You all have a good night. I'll see you guys next week again. All right. And next week, invite more new members. Okay. If right before our seminar next week, okay, gather as many members as possible. Those people who are new to this, go to our next weekly seminar. Our team will let you know when is our next weekly seminar. Invite them. Let me talk to them. Let me meet them. Let me educate them. Let me share with them how we can make profit together. All right. Thank you so much, guys. You have a good evening. Bye-bye. Bye.